looking to learn Arabic calligraphy in the Nastaliq and Farsi script, then this video is for you. Hey everybody, this is Muhammad Harun from Canvas Wonders, helping you create something worth wonders today. For those of you that don't know who I am and are new here, I'm an Arabic calligrapher and a self-taught graphic designer. I help people beautify their homes with Arabic calligraphic artworks, and here on YouTube, I help people learn calligraphy with useful tips and tutorials. If that's something that interests you, then make sure to subscribe and click the bell icon not to miss another video. Today's lesson we will learn how to script the letter Fa and the letter Qaaf correctly. Let's get started. The letter Fa is scripted in 3 strokes. The first stroke is like a reverse dot, but slightly curved like so. Make sure the nib is on the line. The second stroke is a dot curving as you go down, similar to the head of the letter Dal. The final stroke is exactly the same as the body of the letter Ba. Check lesson 3 to recap. Let's measure up. The head of the letter Fa is measured 1 unit horizontally, and vertically it can be up to 1.5 units. The head and neck together are measured 2 units. The length of the body of the letter Fa is 5 units. You can connect the body of the Abakashida too, depending on your composition. The space from the head to the body is half a unit. The letter Qaaf is scripted in 3 strokes. The head in 2 strokes and the body in 1 stroke. The first stroke is like a reverse dot but slightly curved. The second stroke is a dot curving as you go down. The final stroke is similar to the body of the letter Sin and Sad. Check out lessons 6 and 7 to recap. Once you have scripted the head and the neck, create a curve to connect them together like so and fill it in. For the letter Fa and Qaaf, the dots should be 1 unit higher than the head. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Question of the day. Who is your favorite Arabic calligrapher? Let me know in the comment section below so I can make more videos around this. Like if you like this video, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and check out the other videos I have on this channel, because I'm sure they'll bring you a lot of value. Thank you so much for watching this video, and as always, may peace be with you.